Hey guys, it's getting colder outside, and you may be noticing that your skin is kind of changing a little bit. Around the winter time, you can always notice that the climate outside is getting a little bit drier, and with that comes some nasty side effects. Sometimes you get surface texture on the skin, a little bit of dryness, dead flakies that you need to exfoliate off. So this video is all about just that. One of the best things that you can do for winter skin is exfoliate. We're going to be talking about some different formats of exfoliants that you can use, some great ways to get that glow going during the holiday season. So if you're finding that you have dryness, dullness, then this video is for you. So when you think of exfoliants, of course you think about the original exfoliant, the OG, a physical exfoliant. When you think of exfoliants, generally you think of things with like little grains or some texture in there that is used to slough off dead skin on the surface of the skin. One of our tried and true and one of our best sellers is actually an OG from Ole Henriksen. It's the Transforming Walnut Scrub. Now this is in its transformation range, so literally it's designed to do just that to the skin. Transform texture, reveal smoother, brighter skin, and it really minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines in the skin, which is really awesome. Now this product it's important when you're using a physical exfoliant not to press too hard. You really want to be gentle with the skin. You're not trying to cause irritation, but I love physical exfoliants even to target sometimes, so I'll use them just around the corners of my nose or in between the brows, anywhere where I'm getting like an excess buildup of skin. But we love this one from Ole Henriksen because it's also an all-natural option. So if you're looking for something that's all-natural, physical exfoliant, this one's for you. So the next category of exfoliants is one that you hear a lot about, but maybe don't know a lot about, and that's chemical exfoliants. So chemical exfoliants are always kind of like your gentle exfoliating acids, like glycolic, lactic, tartaric, and these are all actually derived from, common things that you see around the house, like apples, milk, common foods even. So they're really safe and for sensitive skin even that way too. So one of the first options that we want to show you is actually from, this is from Glow Recipe. I've actually worked with these girls before. They're pretty awesome. But they came out with this Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Now this is going to do two things for you. This is really great because it not only exfoliates the skin, but it also hydrates, which is really cool. So this is a really great one for winter time because you leave it on overnight and you wake up with super smooth, kind of plump, balanced skin. So this one is actually infused with AHAs, which are going to be doing the exfoliation for you. The AHA stands for alpha hydroxy acid. And then you also have watermelon and peony root in here. The watermelon is really great for kind of soothing irritated skin. So it's going to kind of have its own built-in buffer. It also has peony extract, which is really good for kind of brightening the skin and giving you an overall glow. So we have another chemical exfoliant. This one is from Drunk Elephant. It's the TLC Sukari Baby Facial. Now this one has been really popular in store. This one has got a blend of 25% alpha hydroxy acids and 2% BHA, or beta hydroxy acid. So this is not only working on the surface of the skin, it's also able to kind of clean out the pore, which is really, really nice. It's going to work. There's a cocktail of different AHAs in there that are going to work to remove that top horny layer of skin. I can't even believe I said that, but that's the clinical word for it. But this is going to reveal like brighter, resurfaced skin and just kind of minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and just give you an overall glow. Another really cool thing about the Sukari Baby Facial is that it comes with the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil Mini, so you can rehydrate and kind of seal in all those ingredients after you're done. So the last category of exfoliants is one I feel like is one of the most gentle, and that's an enzymatic peel. Now we have an amazing product from Tatcha that is the rice enzyme powder, and they just launched a new soothing formula for sensitive skin. So the way that an enzymatic peel works is basically the enzymes go in and eat away the dead skin cells, so you're left with like smooth, brightened skin. I find that they're really safe for sensitive skin because you're not really pressing too hard on the skin while you're working with them. They just kind of do their own thing, almost like magic. It's really cool. Okay, so that's it for kind of the three main categories. Now I want to talk to you about some ways that you can kind of incorporate exfoliation into your lifestyle. So if you're a girl on the go and you don't have a lot of time, there's some really great options that you can use. I really love Dr. Dennis Gross, these peel pads. Now, you guys know that we talk about these on the channel all the time. And actually, they live right back there on that product wall. And I can't tell you how many times that we've snuck in here to peel them off the wall to get ready to use them on models here in the studio. So this is a cult classic here for us pros, and we also love it in Sephora. I can guarantee you that this is after one use, you'll notice like a smooth resurfaced texture, and your skin and your makeup is just gonna apply like it's never had before. Another really great chemical exfoliant that's also really naturally derived is from Ren. It's the Glycolactic Radiance Renewal Mask. Now that one's really cool because you have glycolic and lactic acid. Lactic acid is actually derived from milk, and that's really great for sensitive skin. This one kind of gives a little tingle so you can sort of feel it working, which I always love. And it smells amazing, kind of like an orange dreamsicle. Okay, so exfoliation just doesn't stop with the face. You can carry it through the rest of the body for sure. I think one area where we often forget is the scalp. A lot of times during the winter time, we get a little bit of extra dead skin buildup there as well. So a really great product to try is from Christophe Robin. This is the Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. It's moisturizing and soothing, which is really awesome. So not only are you going to be exfoliating all that dead skin buildup in the scalp, and your hair will grow, much easier that way, but it's also kind of soothing the scalp and giving you nourishing ingredients, which is going to help to, intensify and help hair growth. Another area that tends to get really dry during the winter time is the lips. I know a lot of you really love to wear those holiday reds out there, and the best thing to do before a party is to give your lips a little bit of scrub. So this is from Bite Beauty. So this is actually the Agave Lip Scrub. Now the cool thing about this product, not only is it exfoliating, it also leaves behind hydrators that help to pull moisture from the air and put it into the lips. So it's kind of like a double duty scrub, which is really, really nice. This one's really great to use before you wear your liquid lips. So now that you've removed all that dead skin, your skin's looking really glowy and smooth. You can feel it. It's like really soft and smooth. The best thing to do is to make sure that you incorporate a hydrator afterwards. You want to put moisture back into the skin to prevent your skin from being dry when you go back outside into the winter wind. So this is actually from First Aid Beauty. This is the Coconut Water Cream. Now we really love water-based moisturizers during the winter time because they sink into the skin really deeply. Gives you a deep tissue hydration, which is what we're looking for. Then a great follow-up would be kind of seal that in with oil. You could even use your Marula Virgin Oil from Drunk Elephant to kind of lock in that moisture and give you all-day hydration. So you're going to be left with smooth, baby soft skin. So that's pretty much it. If you try any of these products, I can guarantee that you're going to be left with glowing skin for the holiday season. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, and I want to hear what exfoliants you're using in the comment section below. So if you've had one that you recently picked up from Sephora that you really love, let me know. I'd love to hear it. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye!